In this week's edition of the Business Review, we explore the compelling story of Herboo Botanicals and its commitment to promoting holistic well-being while contributing to the local economy.
Herbal remedies have always been a go-to for those looking to unlock the healing power of nature. In the heart of Jamaica, local company Herboo Botanicals has taken this age-old tradition to new heights. Javin Williams is founder and CEO of the company.
Herboo is about 6.5 years. Herboo was inspired by a fungal problem I had on my scalp, dandruff, and while I tried the popular brands, they never worked for me. And it was my grandmother's recommendation of some herbs which worked, and that birthed the idea for Herboo.
And starting a business is no easy feat, requiring dedication, innovation, and a keen understanding of the market.
So when we started, the initial investment was us walking on NCU campus asking for donations. And when people donated, they would get a sample of the Herboo product. So our revenues have grown significantly since then. At that time, we were in one store in Mandeville, I can remember. And now we have over 154 stores in Jamaica. We're in 7 stores in Cayman Islands, and we also sell on Amazon.com.
And being on Amazon
is a good opportunity, but it has its downfall because they have their rates, which is pretty expensive because we have to pay to have the products there, plus there's a referral fee. So that has its own challenge. But then we're able to fulfill some of our orders from Jamaica, so that helps us to get the products to the customers. So what we'd want to do is to have Amazon help us with doing the fulfillment there. So that will also help the customers to get the products very quickly. Yes, so with the help of NCB, we're able to create our website and have them process our payments. Yes, so now customers worldwide can purchase from herboobotanicals.com, get the products delivered to them anywhere in the world.
From grants of $50,000 to making millions. And in the realm of herbal remedies, competition is fierce, making it essential for companies like Herboo Botanicals to stand out from their rivals. Mr. Williams says differentiation is key.
What sets Herboo aside from other brands is our commitment to taking care of the environment. We only use organic products. We use mainly Jamaica's herbs and spices like rosemary, peppermint, lemongrass, which is also grown in Manchester. And we also provide peace of mind to the customers. So when they look at the list of ingredients, they know exactly what they're using. They see the sorrel, they see the peppermint, they see the rosemary. They can easily understand the ingredient listing.
The company currently has 6 products and is looking to expand its product offerings.
We want to expand the line, so persons have been requesting a body wash because they're tired of bathing with the shampoo. So we want to expand it and create a body wash. We also want to do bar soaps and more facial products. And then we also want to increase our sales on Amazon.com and expand into Trinidad and Tobago.
Additionally,
we want to be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. We want persons to be able to participate in our company. It's locally made, so we want customers who buy Herboo products are able to purchase even shares and to grow the brand. We want to be established in a big way in the United States market. So I want to get into those retail stores as well.
For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.